Is Bitcoin mining worth it in January 2019? So let's mine away. Hello guys and welcome back to BitTruth with your host Mark Luther. In this video we are looking at the cryptocurrency market cap. We are looking and are going to answer the question, is Bitcoin mining worth it in January 2019? To start the year in 2019, is it worth to mine? And this question came in the in the best time I wanted to put it in, and it is in a in a market crash. Okay, right now we saw like Bitcoin go below $3,600, okay, to nearly $3,590-$80. Okay, if you look on BTC and Binance, such exchanges, and that is interesting because if we look at at these prices and at such difficulty and compare and contrast if it is profitable, then we can draw a picture, to be honest. So anyways, also another reason is because the Bitcoin difficulty has been going down rapidly, because many Bitcoin mining farms have been going bankrupt. Many of them have been closing operations. As you can see, it's like 5.6. okay, back like couple months ago, maybe in October, okay, it was like 7, so that's like 2 times bigger. Okay, that's like 20%, 24.63%. And that is interesting because we might not see such difficulty again, that low. And in countries where electricity is really cheap, I think Bitcoin mining can be a really good profitable investment. Anyways, let's look at the ASIC miner value. Now this website, okay, shows you a bunch of ASICs and shows you the profitability. Now we are going to go and use Coin Wars because it's the best, okay, when it comes to calculating. And this all just like bollocks because some of them at such and such price, some of them are just not connected to all the factors like difficulty, prices, fees, okay, fees, another thing. Anyways, the first thing we're going to look at is the eBang, I think eBit E11, okay, and then the next one is going to be ASIC miner 8 nano 44 terahashes per second. And I wish to understand how this thing functions. I mean, till now I did not see any video on this thing, and maybe I need to do some research on it. Anyways, the third thing is the all-time best from InnoSilicon, the 43T, okay, the Terminator 343T. And always InnoSilicon have been giving really good terahashes and really good prices, to be honest, and that's what makes it even more interesting. And lastly, it's just Bitmain, the old, overhyped website Bitmain. A lot of people report it's just a scam, okay, sometimes they don't deliver shipments, sometimes they come broken. I just don't trust Bitmain if I want to buy an ASIC miner in the future. Anyways, let's start with eBit E11 Plus. Now, of course, I went to the manufacturer's website because like there you can find everything you want. Anyways, I took all the factors that they have, okay, and the price, and here we have calculations. I still did not calculate, okay, 44,000 gigahashes per second, and for some reason now the prices of ASIC miners have quadrupled, okay, like just 1 or 2 months ago it was $500 or something around them ranges, because Bitcoin mining was not profitable. But right now it is a bit going in that direction to profitability. 1,980, okay, 12 cents, okay, if you live in the US. Of course, if you live in the UK, Bitcoin mining is not just an option, it's just suicide. Okay, I think in Venezuela it's really good to mine Bitcoin. 1% fees, 2,224 and 368, even though that's not true because right now it's below 360. So profit 6 cents per day, that's not bad. Okay, for large operations. I mean, that is not scalable, of course, but at the same time that's 6 cents per hour, okay, per day, that's $1.47 now. That is good, okay, but the price of it is a bit inflated, okay. Now to generate 1 Bitcoin you need 500 days. Now to break even, that's like nearly like an RX 580, okay, 1,300 days, or a GTX 1080 8 gigabytes in GPU mining. Anyways, annually you're going to make about $2,645. Now if you have lower electricity rate, you are going to get really profitable calculations, and if you have it for free, well, $2,600 to the pocket. Anyways, let's go next. Okay, ASIC miner 8 nano 44 terahashes, okay, just like the last one. Okay, as you can see, 1790. Okay, it had the discount. Now there was a counter right here, fun fact. Okay, about like 1 minute left, and when I came here, okay, it changed course. I think it went to 0. No, still I have 4 minutes. Is this a scam? I mean, it had like 3 stock left. I think that's a marketing technique. Anyways, 1790. Okay, calculate that. And on hourly basis, I think that's more profitable. Yes, the EBIT is the most profitable one out of them all, and you can buy it right now. Okay, not pre-order, so don't waste time with pre-ordering, shipping, all that stuff. And no silicon. Anyways, don't take all these numbers, they're just not really, you know, combining all the factors. Anyways, it says profitability $2.11. Let's see how profitable is that. Anyways, as you can see, no silicon 2279, 43 terahashes, 2100. Now some people are going to ask, is this normal mode or power efficiency? It's all normal mode. Less profitability. Okay, as you can see the difference. Okay, let's go back to $2.11 per day. Here it shows, you know, about $0.96 per day profit, so it's different. Okay, and 1 Bitcoin does not equal to 3,727 unless that's on Coinbase, that's another thing. But a few days ago when it was at 4,000, okay, that would be a profitable investment. Let's actually see if at no, not 40,000, wish it can be at 40,000. Yeah, you can make 1.57, but I think, you know, 2.11 is a bit far-fetched. Anyways, let's go to the Bitmain miner. Now it's the least profitable out of all of them, and as you can see here you have 20. I'm not sure if this is like the normal mode and the power efficiency mode. I mean, I'm not sure why people just use the power efficiency mode. It's like, let's waste, you know, time from getting ROI. Anyways, 1249, and calculate. Break even, never. Okay, you're just not going to break even. Seems that, you know, Bitmain have been wasting some time, okay, on these hash wars. Could have focused on development. Anyways, Bitmain was not really the best option for anybody. Okay, always I see miners, okay, that are coming from different manufacturers, okay, like Silicon, but right now we have more and more competition from ASIC miner, EBIT, okay, you know, brands that are getting out of, you know, everywhere, and they're taking the market share, okay, off the market. Okay, and I see Bitmain, okay, in 2 years or 3 years becoming obsolete if the market continues to go downwards. It's just like, you know, Apple and Samsung and, you know, Huawei and all these brands. It's just like comparing those to those. Same with the ASIC miner, you know, field. Because I think Bitmain, after they lost with that IPO application, they're just destroyed, and giving another catalyst, which is these hash wars, destroyed their revenue. Okay, they wasted millions and millions of dollars, maybe billions, I'm not sure how much they wasted, okay, but they wasted pretty much, you know, all of their money. Okay, and now they're also, you know, their IPO application, you know, it's just not really good for Bitmain. And they, you know, their S9, the all-time best ASIC miner back in 2017, back in those days, I see Bitmain was really the best, you know, in the market, and was your best option to enter the market, okay, from Bitcoin mining perspective. But as time goes on, you know, things just change. Okay, competitors enter the market, some people are just better, and even though, you know, like 4 of these, you know, companies are in China, I think the other ones are just getting better and better, you know, applications, better just, you know, profitability, better, you know, ASIC mining chips, because these people don't waste their time on hash wars, they waste their time on, you know, working on their ASIC miners. But, you know, I think this is the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching this video from BitTruth, your host Mark Luther. Thank you guys for watching, see you guys on the next one.